I want to talk about something that I've been noticing in my life, which is I explain myself a lot. Sometimes, even when nobody's asking, I'm still explaining myself, um, which is very weird. Eventually, I realized that I keep explaining like why I'm doing something, why my life looks different, why I'm quiet, why I talk a lot sometimes. Everything. I feel like I owe someone any explanation. And yeah, I've realized how tiring this is. And most of the times, I'm not explaining because I want to, but I'm explaining because I'm scared of judgments. I know sabko hi hota hai, like everybody's scared of judgments. But in my case, that is, I'm scared that people will misunderstand me or think something is wrong with me, which is not. So I try to clear things in advance, even when nobody's asking. But here's the thing that I've noticed, which is, explaining does not always help. It doesn't. It does not always help because mostly people do not want to, understand you. They just want to be heard. So yeah, here is a catch. Like it's advantage of being a good listener that you know. And I've heard it somewhere that as much as you listen to someone, the other person, they get more comfortable with you. You get to know their vulnerabilities and uh, things like that. They get comfortable with you, but it's not about that. It's about like over explaining. It always gets you in trouble. It always gets you in trouble. uh, Once you start explaining everything, okay, everything, obviously your life is a public property. Then they'll start giving you opinions, unsolicited opinions, which you really don't need in your life. They suggest changes and everything, and slowly your life stops being yours. So I have explained myself to people who already have their own story about me. No matter what I said, their opinions did not change. So what's the use of explaining? That made me think that why I'm putting myself so much in, like why I'm putting my energy into explaining, like when it did not change anything. I'm not saying that I've completely stopped explaining myself, but I don't explain every decisions anymore. I don't share every reason, something that makes sense only to me. I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. And earlier, like, I felt very guilty about this, like I was being rude or distant. Uh, Now I see differently. It's not rude, it's just choosing my peace. If someone understands me without asking too many questions, I appreciate that. If someone doesn't, I'm learning to let them be. And not everything needs to be explained for it to be real. That's just something I've been thinking about lately. That's it.